Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Reports online morning update for the 26th of August 2011. Global markets were hit hard overnight with the major indices shedding more than 1% ahead of tonight's crucial Jackson Hole meeting in the US. Stocks were dumped on both sides of the Atlantic, with a sell-off initially triggered in Germany, where investors heavily sold DAX futures, with volume a quarter of the daily average traded in one 30-minute block. At one stage, the index fell as much as 250 points in a matter of minutes, trading down more than 4% before recovering. The losses intensified in the US amid growing speculation Ben Bernanke will fail to announce any major stimulus measures at tonight's meeting. With inflation running high in emerging economies and US interest rates already at record lows, Bernanke may not see QE3 as an effective tool to prop up the economy. SPI futures have turned negative in line with Wall Street's losses. The Aussie market is currently set to open around 30 points weaker this morning. The bearish sentiment drove investors away from equities and into the relative safety of gold, which rose for the first time since the 8% hammering it has suffered in recent sessions. The US dollar also tracked higher on speculation the Fed will not undertake steps that will further debase the currency. Despite the equity market rout, oil futures edged higher amid concerns Hurricane Irene will slow refinery operations on America's east coast, thus impacting supplies. The wild gyrations on the SPI continued overnight, with the price action extending up towards 42.40 prior to the US market open. From there, however, it was all one-way traffic, with the index crashing more than 80 points from the highs before eventually finding support around the 41.60 region.
Get free access to our daily reports and recommendations now. Visit australianstockreport.com.au/try.